If your ink's too slow and your nib won't flow, here's one of the places that you can go. Larry is here to see you through with Mr. Announcer and Cubby too. It's Larry's Fountain Pen Reviews.
Greetings, folks. Mail call. Got this in, I think, a day or two ago. So here we go. And this one comes from a friend of mine, Fred, from Federalist Pens and Paper.
Frank.
I'm sorry, Fred. Frank. Now the mind's going, okay? Wow, Frank. And this is what I got from Frank. Yay, Frankie! No, I'm kidding you. And a double wow from Frank. Let's see what you can... Hold on. This is one of the new ones, I believe, from Robert Oyster.
Ah, this is the new specialty ink, Frankly Walnut.
And the Majestic Black. Not one, but 2,000 bottles. And they dance. See, look. Y'all had enough? Bye. Ooh. Hold it. There you go. Forgot to put that in like that. Thank you, Frank.